We have a snowstorm coming in. Whoa! Oh shit! The storm is coming! Ah! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for a new video. I'm super stoked to be here because today I'm bringing you to Quebec City. Let's go! Hey guys, I made it to Quebec after 3 hours of driving. It was not that bad. Before I go check out a spot for tonight to sleep, I'm at Mont Montmorency Fall. It's super beautiful and the fall is just right there after the trees. So let's go check it out. It's beautiful! That detour was worth it. The sun is gonna go down in approximately 1 hour, so I'm just gonna kill some time before stealth camping in the parking. I'm not sure if it's a good spot to camp, but I'm gonna try it. It's getting dark outside. I'm ready to eat. Tonight, it's gonna be hamburger. I'm not really that confident about that spot, but I'm gonna try it anyway. The slopes are very near, so that's nice. But the spot, it's very not discreet. I think someone is doing donuts. Yeah, he's leaving. I don't feel this place. Oh my god. It's ready, time to make the hamburger. I was gonna forget the Valentina. So let's see if the hamburger is good. Cheeseburger. Bon appétit. It's good. I like the little Mexican hot sauce. Guys, we have a snowstorm coming in tomorrow. It's gonna be perfect for the skis. I think it's like 10 to 15 centimeters of snow. The people that were next to me just left, but I don't know people. It's a big parking lot and they go right next to me just to smoke and then leave. Why can't they just go any further? Oh my god. Good night, guys. I made it through the night. It wasn't that bad. The temperature was only -5, -13. Feels like. It was very, very windy this morning. It's windy too. We're gonna have a huge snowstorm. I can't wait. It's gonna be good. This night I got so scared. I think I heard someone, or I don't know if it was the river with the ice. Usually I sleep very hard, but this time just the little voice. I was up and I was wondering why someone was there at that time, because it's in an industrial site, so there's not much people here. As I'm making my breakfast, I decided to heat some soup, and I'm gonna bring it in this insulated container. Let's climb that mountain. I'm geared up. I have my food, my first aid kit, my batteries, everything I need. Let's go. I don't know if you could see, but there is a family of 3 deers. They're so pretty. Oh, I love nature. Okay guys, I'm nearly at the top. The wind is crazy right now. That last part was so steep. I had a lot of problems going up. I think I made it to the top. It was quite the ascension. Woo! I had to remove my skis because it was too slippery. I could not do it with the skins on. I think the track. Oh shit! The storm is coming! Ah! I think the track was too tight. I saw a lot of people do the same. They removed their skis and they just climbed up with their boots. Oh, I made it, guys. I'm heating myself in the little vent here. I'm gonna eat my soup and then I'm gonna go down the slopes. The wind was crazy, it was insane. It was steep and I couldn't even go down. Oh my god. It feels great. The parking lot is empty. Felt good. I'm so proud of myself. I climbed all the way to the top there. I found it hard, but I made it. Now I'm not sure if I want to go back to the spot of yesterday or I want to find another one. I'm gonna try to find another one, but we'll see. Okay guys, I think I found myself a little spot. It's very near the road. Not that bad, but the road is there. And there's plenty of cottages up there. There were no signs of no parking or don't take this road, so I think I'm good. The only thing is, if the snow plow doesn't pass and we have 10 to 15 centimeters of snow, am I gonna be able to come out of that spot? I don't know. But I'm gonna take the chance. I'm just gonna put it in 4-low, lock the transfer case. I'm gonna be out of here in no second. So that's the cottages. I prefer that spot because I cannot be seen from the road, so it's stealthier. I cannot camp closer to the mountain. It's crazy. I love Google Maps. Oh my god, it helps me so much for these spots. I just go on a satellite and zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out, and I'm trying to get a spot. I hope it's a good spot. Looks like the storm is starting. saw that? It was like a mini tornado. What? Oh my god, it's gonna be a huge snowstorm. I hope I'm gonna be able to get out tomorrow. Oh my god. We can't even see the mountain. Cheers guys, bon appétit. A good beer after the ski, it's so worth it. Tonight I'm eating leftover from home with some tofu. I think it's jalapeno. It's super good. And some onions. With my favorite sauce, Valentina. I really love eating spicy. It's so good. I was hungry. Oh my god. I can't wait for tomorrow to see what the storm did. Oh my god.